Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to hide taskbar in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simplest video. When my mouse cursor is on our screen, I want to hide my taskbar. When my mouse cursor goes to the bottom of the screen, I want to appear this taskbar again automatically on our Windows 11 PC. That we want to achieve in this video. So let's go. First of all, just go to the taskbar. On the blank space of the taskbar, right click on it and just click on the taskbar setting. Just click on the taskbar settings. Now here is our taskbar settings. Okay, here just scroll down and in last we find taskbar behaviors. Just click on taskbar behaviors and just click at here. Okay, here we find many option. First option is important, automatically hide the taskbar. Just check this. Okay, now we can see my taskbar is hide automatically. So I just minimize it and I just go to the bottom of the page. My taskbar is appear automatically on our screen. I just go to my screen, it is hide. Now it is show when I just go to the bottom of the page. So guys, this is the simplest way to hide taskbar in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.